Good afternoon. Welcome back into Midday in Kansas. We're with our friend Charlene Patton for the third and final time today, talking about National Breakfast Month, which is in September. We've made a cheesy, not biscuit, muffin this morning. We made a sweet and savory muffin this morning. Now we're kind of mixing it up a little bit, Charlene. What are we making this afternoon?
Well, we're doing a coffee cake, and there's always those times you want to take something to the office, you want to have a brunch and something special. You will love this one. It's peaches and cherries and blueberries, and makes a wonderful coffee cake. So we're going to start out with our dry ingredients here, and I have 2 cups of our soy flour blend in here. You're going to add sugar. That's 1/2 cup of sugar, and then we have some orange zest that's going to give it some extra flavor that we've got there. That's just from the rind of that orange. Some baking powder, 2 tablespoons, and then a little bit of salt there. And to that then I am going to add, and this is another soy product,
margarine.
That's right, and it's softened margarine, you can see that, which makes it easier to mix in. And we're just going to cut it. If you don't have a pastry blender, you could use 2 knives, you could use a fork. You just want to make it so it's nice and crumbly, that really blends that shortening in. We won't do it all as much as you would do at home, but see how it makes it crumbles? And you just want lots of crumbles in that. And then after that's mixed up, we're going to add our liquid ingredients, Chris. You've got 2 eggs
you ready
there.
For the eggs?
Yep, you can add the eggs, and then I'll let you add, I'm going to go ahead and add the vanilla to our soy beverage there, and then I'll let you pour that in as I mix it.
Wow.
Okay, so we mix that. Can you smell those?
I can. It smells delicious.
That oranges? Okay, now I'm going to put this here for us. We have a grease fluted pan. We are going to put half of our batter in here. See if can you turn that for me? Oh, perfect. And then what you're going to do is see all of our fruits over there? You're going to sprinkle those fruits all around it so that we have a nice, these are the sweet cherries that we have here. We have blueberries and peaches.
Okay, we're just going to do that.
And then, yes, and then we're just going to cover that up, and I know we're on quick time, but you just cover it up then, and then we'll bake this at 350 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes. Take a wooden pick and make sure that it's done when you take it out. I'll just kind of spread that around there, but get all that batter out of there, and then let it rest for about 10 minutes before you turn it upside down. There's our coffee cake, and then I drizzle it with a little bit of orange glaze.
Finished product right there. We can go find the recipe for this and all the muffins we made this morning on your website.
At kansassoybeans.org.
All right, can't wait to sink our teeth into that one. Charlene, thank you for that. Thank you for watching Midday in Kansas. See you tomorrow morning at 5.